Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.0698 a coin. The present reach, $0.0683. $0.0723. The earlier day close, $0.0687. The change was plus 0.0011, plus 1.60%. Backwards rate, United States dollars to Doge. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at $0.066. Most extreme cost $0.078. Least cost $0.061. The normal for the month $0.070. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end $0.073. Change for July 10.6%. Doge to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. Before all else cost at $0.073. Most extreme cost $0.083. Least cost $0.065. The normal for the month $0.075. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $0.078. Change for August 6.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place cost at $0.078. Greatest cost $0.078. Least cost $0.067. The normal for the month $0.074. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end $0.072. Change for September 7.7%. Doge to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. To start with cost at $0.072. Greatest cost $0.072. Least cost $0.060. The normal for the month $0.067. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.065. Change for October 9.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at $0.065. Most extreme cost $0.072. Least cost $0.062. The normal for the month $0.067. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $0.067. Change for November 3.1%. Doge to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Initially cost at $0.067. Most extreme cost $0.068. Least cost $0.060. The normal for the month $0.065. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $0.064. Change for December 4.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at $0.064. Greatest cost $0.064. Least cost $0.051. The normal for the month $0.059. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $0.055. Change for January 14.1%. Doge to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at $0.055. Greatest cost $0.068. Least cost $0.055. The normal for the month $0.061. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end $0.064. Change for February 16.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at $0.064. Most extreme cost $0.064. Least cost $0.050. The normal for the month $0.058. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.054. Change for spring 15.6%. Doge to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. At the outset cost at $0.054. Most extreme cost $0.054. Least cost $0.042. The normal for the month $0.049. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end $0.045. Change for April 16.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at $0.045. Greatest cost $0.056. Least cost $0.045. The normal for the month $0.050. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.052. change for May 15.6%. Doge to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Before all else cost at $0.052. Most extreme cost $0.056. Least cost $0.048. The normal for the month $0.052. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $0.052. Change for June 0.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at $0.052. Most extreme cost $0.052. Least cost $0.044. The normal for the month $0.049. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end $0.047. Change for July 9.6%. Doge to United States dollars expectations for August 2025. To start with cost at $0.021. Greatest cost $0.021. Least cost $0.017. The normal for the month $0.019. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.018. Change for August 14.3%. United States dollars to Doge expectations for September 2025. At the outset cost at 55.56 Dogecoins. Most extreme cost 71.43. Least 55.56. The normal for the month 62.31. The United States dollars to Doge figure toward the month's end 66.67. Change for September 20.0%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 66.67 Dogecoins. Most extreme cost 76.92. Least 66.67. The normal for the month 70.42. The United States dollars to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 71.43. Change for October 7.1%. United States dollars to Doge expectations for November 2025. Before all else cost at 71.43 Dogecoins. Most extreme cost 71.43. Least 58.82. The normal for the month 66.05. The United States dollars to Doge estimate toward the month's end 62.50. Change for November 12.5%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 62.50 Dogecoins. Greatest cost 62.50. Least 52.63. The normal for the month 58.30. The United States dollars to Doge gauge toward the month's end 55.56. Change for December 11.1%. United States dollars to Doge expectations for January 2026. To start with cost at 55.56 Dogecoins. Greatest cost 55.56. Least 45.45. The normal for the month 51.05. The United States dollars to Doge figure toward the month's end 47.62. Change for January 14.3%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for February 2026. Initially cost at 47.62 Dogecoins.